and Mayo. And for Tikas Kapampangan, it's Jericho Isidro, Jasper Manalang, Nico Santos. Lontok secures the leather, kicks it out. Subrabas with 7 on the shot clock. Inside pass, Galoy for 2.
Again, that's a good start for Taguig.
Right. Off that miss by Jasper Manalang. And here's a steal by LJ Mayo for the finish. Team in the 2013 FIBA Asia Championship. Here's Subrabas, the baseline drive. No look pass. What a play!
What a no-look pass!
Yes.
LJ Mayo.
Here's Galoy across to Subrabas. Fires this 3 and it goes in.
That's a big shot. If Subrabas can...
Guys, 10 on the shot clock for Tikas. Here's Isidro, the drive inside the left hand. Wild shot. Rebound by Ganya. And Ganya in that game. Meanwhile, Fragoso at the post. Mayo inside.
That's a smart play. Having the smaller Lancer Cannon in bully ball.
Ganya fires from the outside. It's short. Munoz gets the rebound. Munoz the spin move and the conversion.
You can't have that if it's a gig. And they go to the same play.
Yes. Mayo, but Khan doing a good job on defense. Here's Fragoso inside against Ganya. Tough shot. And he scores.
Mayo, Galoy.
Yes.
It's only Dan Natividad who can create his own shot as Azares. That's what he does. Wow.
Azares making that 3 from that left corner. Khan with the ball. Double team. Falling down. And here comes Taguig. The forward pass. Fragoso. That's a place 3. Here's Dan Natividad again with 12 on the shot clock. They go inside to Fragoso against Isidro. And he converts. Nice seal there by Fragoso. Bragais from the corner. And again, another miss from the outside for Tikas. Meanwhile, let's see if they will count that basket. Manalang is down.
They're making in game 4 are missing today. So that's going to be tough. As completo. Wow, Taguig is on fire here. This is
10 on the shot clock. Manalang with the drive. Manalang turns. And that basket is good for Jasper Manalang.
That's a tough.
Here's Bragais. Chance for a blaze 3. Munoz lays it in. That's a blaze 3.
Guys hasn't gotten going in this game. That's a big 3 by Manalang. 3 by Manalang.
And I think that's the first 3 by Manaloto. Draws the double team. Sidestep move. Manaloto on top. Long 2 is good.
That's a big...
And if you're Manaloto, you have to hit that shot. Here's Natividad against Manalang. Turns and fires and scores.
They're really...
Galoy now, 1-on-1 against Bragais. Baseline drive. Galoy with a reverse. And that's a point Taguig lead. Here's Bragais. Bounce pass. Manaloto again.
Extra pass.
Pablo with the assist. Natividad working against Manalang, and Natividad scores on that post-up move against Manalang.
Aside from Manalang, creators of the dribble for this Tikas squad.
Gomez scores plus the foul, and Gomez making an immediate impact after the pass within striking distance. Natividad against Gomez. Pulls up for that jumper. That is his favorite move.
Natividad is cooking right now. That's
the screen by Mayo. Pulls up from the outside.
He's feeling it right now.
To win game 5, Azares kicks it out. Mayo from the outside. That's good. That's a 3 for LJ Mayo, the MVP. Harrison Bautista, wild shot. Santos with a follow-up.
Great follow-up there by Santos. They badly need it.
Meanwhile, Mayo pulls it up. He scores! What a shot there by LJ Mayo. Here's Santos from the outside. Misfiring once again. Shots not falling from the outside for Tikas. Here comes Mayo! He scores! And a foul. And that's a...
coming from behind. But right now, this is pretty deep into this game already. And they needed this 3 by Bragais.
And finally, Bragais with that. Here's LJ Mayo. Will he answer? He does!
Wow.
Friendly bounce for Bragais against Fragoso. Nice pass inside to Francisco. That goes in.
That's volleyball. One of Natividad and Manalang in the post. That's his spot. That's his spot.
Manalang drains the three from the right side. Natividad now being
Natividad
guarded.
missed it.
Mayo inside. He
Again,
scores!
there you go. Manalang can't do anything if Mayo's right in front of him.
Toss to Bragais. Across. Here's Jake Munoz. Fakes.
They needed
The
that.
layup is good.
They
Yes.
needed other guys to score here because Manalang has been
Correct.
the champion will be in this one.
Isidro with the left hand.
If you're Taguig, you don't mind that from Isidro. You can drop the ball too.
Manalang wide open.
And again, when he gets free, that's when he hits shots. It's big. This is a huge three.
Life here for Ticas. And the ball is now with Ticas after that steal. No look pass. Victoria finishes. And now the lead is down to 9.
I've seen him since
Yes.
I think the first quarter.
Ball now is with Taguig. They won the toss. So Bravas!
That is huge for Taguig.
And now it's a 12-point lead. Listen to the fans. Coming alive here. Munoz with the basket.
That's what.
10-point lead for the Generals. Short pass to Fragoso. The jumper is good.
As well.
Manalang fires. He
Oh, wow.
connects over Mayo. And then Galoy again. Guarding Manalang right now. Can back in the game for Ticas. Francisco inside. Short jumper is good.
Here comes Ticas. They're down by just 7 more.
Here's Manalang. Can with the ball. One-on-one against Subrabas. A drive inside. Can draws a foul. And he scores.
Again, here comes Ticas. They
Oh, Galoy scores. Over Bragais. Knockout play on the part of Taguig. Here's Can with the answer.
Taguig's passing has to come back here. Nice move.
Nice move by Dan Natividad. The turnaround. 6-point lead for the General. Pulls up. Scores! And that's a blaze 3 for go. And here comes Genmar Bragais against Completo. Bragais lab to Isidro.
That's a blaze 3.
Here is LJ Mayo against Isidro. Mayo driving inside. A scoop shot by LJ Mayo.
On cue.
Kabiran. Nice move inside. And Dick Munoz ties it again.
Lancer Cons is breaking the defense down.
Mayo on the run. Crosses the timeline. Mayo attacking. Whistle on the play. And he scores.
It's a blaze 3 for LJ Mayo.
Now draws a double. Santos. Right corner. Isidro. The left-handed layup.
That is big. A chance to take the lead for Ticas.
Natividad with the ball against Jake Munoz. 9 to shoot. Natividad with a jumper.
Wow. Much needed basket here for Taguig. Against
The handoff to Lancer Can. Shot clock at 12. Lancer Can. Turnaround shot. It bounces in for Lancer Can.
That's a tough bucket from Lancer Khan.
Wants the ball to LJ Mayo. 9 on the shot clock. LJ Mayo posts up. Jumper is good for LJ Mayo. LJ Mayo. Pick and roll. Passing to Mayo. 7 on the shot clock. LJ Mayo looking to take over again. Mayo, the layup is good. Taguig back in front. And looks like we have a foul. Natividad directing traffic. Tolentino with the screen. Pass inside. Read perfectly by Lancer Can. Forward pass. Bragais. Chance for a blaze. 3. It is.
That's a bad foul by Azares.
Here's Galoy at the left corner. Open shot here. Draws closer is Azares. He nails
That's
the
a
jumper.
big-time shot by Azares.
And Taguig now with a 3-point lead after that jumper by Azares. Munoz with 8 to shoot. Munoz against Mayo. He attacks. Nice defense there by Tolentino.
Makes it anyway.
Wow, what a shot by Jake Munoz in traffic.
Keeping or kept Pampanga in this one.
Khan, the drive inside. Khan, the layup is
What a
good.
layup by Khan. Hangs in the air.
Tigas now in front. And second shot around and out.
Oh, that's a bad foul by Galoy. That will put Munoz at the free throw line.
That was a clear foul.
For Tigas Kapampangan.
Munoz, crucial first free throw. He has played with a lot of Pampanga teams and he connects 2 for 2 for Jake Munoz. He secures the rebound.
Here we go, a shot here. Might just deliver the championship for Tikas.
Khan wants a nice pass now with a 6-point lead on the road.
Right now, that is the silencer. The crowd of Taguig stunned right now.
Look at this move. Lancer Khan with a drive. The pull-up shot and then the friendly bounce for Lancer Khan. And look at his face. Look at the emotion. We can drain this free three. Tolentino for the free three. He got it! And Taguig is back in this game. What a huge three for Jexter Tolentino of all people. Ganya having trouble inbounding the ball. 5-second
Oh my
violation.
goodness. The last thing you want to happen has happened here for Tikas. Again, they're taking their time.
Azares at the left side, guarded by
This
Khan.
is not what you want to do. This is too long already.
5 on a shot, La Natividad for 3!
Oh!
It's just a 2-point lead for Tigas. La Natividad with a clutch 3-point shot. Inbound at the backcourt.
Oh, that's a turnover.
That was a bad pass by Bragais.
Are they calling it a foul? I think they called it
They
a
will
foul.
call a foul. Pushing foul.
They call it a foul.
And
I thought it was a
Coach Bing
turnover.
Victoria did not like it. What a turn of events. And now Isidro will shoot 2 free throws. Isidro, no!
Wow, that keeps.
Tikas.
Have to remember, game 4, Victoria had that offensive board.
That rattles out. Rebound by Tolentino and a chance for Taguig to tie this ball game. Mayo nearly losing it. Azares inside, wild pass. Natividad pulls up. No! A bad pass by Dan Natividad.
Nobody wanted to shoot the ball for Taguig. Azares had a shot. Mayo had a shot. Galoy could have shot it in this one.
Bragais will inbound at the backcourt. Bragais nearly losing the ball. Bragais with the ball now. Forward pass. Isidro, 9 seconds left. Isidro lays it in! Tigas now up by 4 with 7 seconds left. No more timeouts. Dan Natividad with the ball right side. Nearly taken away by Lancer Khan with 2 seconds remaining.
Without any timeout.
Galoy for 3 and that will do it.
Wow!
We have a new champions in the NBL.
Tigas Kapampangan does the improbable. Wins on the road after being down by 15 points. Takes down the 4-time defending champion.
And the dynasty has ended here in Taguig.
Kapampangan team.
And our final score again, Tigas Kapampangan coming back from behind, beating Taguig 102-96. We will come back